5 Excel hacks that will make you 5 times faster at work. These are not some basic tips, these are the corporate level hacks that I personally use. So let's get started. Hack 1. Create pivot table instantly by using the shortcut Alt and VT. So just click on any cell within your data range, press Alt and VT and hit enter. Your pivot table structure is ready within a second. And now you are already faster than 90% of Excel users. Hack 2. Apply filters instantly by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L, or you can also use the shortcut Alt+AT. Now click on any cell within your data range and press Ctrl+Shift+L and your filter is applied instantly. You can quickly filter by value, by color, or even for top 10 entries. It is a perfect trick for analyzing and cleaning the data. Now if you want to remove the filter, press Ctrl+Shift+L again and the filters will get removed instantly. Now coming to hack 3. Show all the formulas instantly by using the shortcut Ctrl+tilde. If you struggle to view all the formulas applied to your worksheet at once, this trick is for you. So press Ctrl+tilde and instantly switch from values to formulas. This is extremely useful trick if you want to review your report before sharing it with others. Now our hack 4 is paste special dialog box using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+V. So now if we copy the data and paste it directly, it will copy paste the values, the formulas and the format as well, which is not the desired case in this. So now we will copy the data again and press Ctrl+Alt+V in order to get the paste special dialog box. As we want to copy paste only the values, so we will click on values and hit OK. You can see we have got only the values and not the formula and formatting. Learn this trick and you will use it every single day. Hack 5. Bulk multiplication by paste special. So let's say we want to multiply the selected range with value 2. So click on any cell and enter the value 2. Now copy the cell and select the range with which we want to multiply the value 2. Now we have already learned paste special, so hit Ctrl+Alt+V. You can see paste special dialog box and you can also see multiply. Click on multiply and hit OK. Now we have multiplied the entire range by value 2, but you can also see that we have changed the entire formatting of the table. We do not want it in our case. So hit undo because we do not want to change the formatting. So let's try once again. Copy the cell, select entire data range. Now paste special. After clicking on multiply, you should also click on values because we have to copy paste the values, not the formatting. Click OK and you can see we have multiplied the entire data range by 2, keeping the formatting intact. So let's quickly recap the hacks. Number 1 was pivot table in seconds. Number 2, instant filters. Number 3 was show formulas. Number 4, paste special. And 5th was bulk multiplication by paste special. Comment which hack you like the most. And if you want to master Excel for real corporate world, do not forget to subscribe Data Mind with Vaibhav.